Yabin's punch kicked off the most massive scuffle in tour history.
Well, this is just awful. These men are literally trying to tear one another apart.
Cyclists are incredible athletes as far as endurance goes, but a great deal of them fight like little bitches. They had a dance party and people said it was a fight. As a boxer,
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
it was offensive to me.
And as is with every accident near Switzerland, a St. Bernard is the first responder. It's really peaty.
They try to hurt each other, but I'm a peaceful person. I don't do things like that. Everything I did that day, I did in self-defense.